Right, welcome back everybody to the channel. So today we'll be changing a thermostat fan switch on the KTM 990R 2011 model. The standard fan switch would kick in at about 102 degrees. So the aim for today is to install a switch which will kick in sooner, and that would be standard switch. We buy them online, locally, from Locomotor. I'll supply the details at the bottom. So this switch will come in 8085. It'll cycle more when you're doing technical rides. It'll keep the engine cooler. Some people fit an additional fan on the radiator, but I'm doing this as a preventative measure when doing technical riding, and I'll give you guys feedback on how it works. So let's crack into it. So first we need to take off the rubber that is above the housing and exposing the wires. So what you want to do is you have a brown lug. You want to pull up on the bottom. There's a plastic switch you want to put up, push in and pull off, which will now expose your fan switch. You will need a 24 socket and a long extension. If you're doing the camera work like me, you just can't get in there. So it's not that easy doing the videos and changing out the parts as it may look on camera. Remember on the new fan switch to add some grease on the O-ring to seal it properly. Let's just have a look. Okay, there comes all the water out. All right. It's okay if you spill a bit of fluids. It's not a train smash. Obviously you need to make sure you top it up when you're done with the job. Let's have a look here. Right, so this is your old switch, standard KTM switch, and it should read on it about 100 degrees opening. I don't really see anything on here, but it's fine. Right, let's close this baby up. Right, and that does it. Slip this back. Righto. So the next one we'll be doing is a relocation side stand, which I will do within the next hour, and we'll send it up to you. Please add comments on the bottom. If this was helpful, like and subscribe, and please share with anybody that requires info. Thank you. Bye bye.